In this media, you will learn about the various causes and effects of each welding defects. The causes for welding cracks are poor ductility of base metal, high velocity of arc, electrode with high hydrogen content, and concave shape of the weld bead. Due to the effects of welding cracks, strength of the weld is reduced, the effective thickness of the base metal is reduced, and joints get broken. The causes for the porosity and blowholes are entrapment of hydrogen, nitrogen, oxygen and carbon monoxide, presence of tungsten in the weld metal and improper use of electrode. Due to the effects of the porosity and blowholes, the workpiece experiences entrapment of hydrogen, oxygen and carbon monoxide and reduction of the ductile property of the base metal. The causes for the slag inclusion are high rate of solidification, improper arc length, impurities in the base metal and filler wire. Due to the effects of the slag inclusion, the strength of the joint is reduced and the impurities get adhered to the base metal. The causes for the undercutting are high electrode diameter, velocity of the arc is more, impurities present in the job surface and high length of the arc. Due to the effects of the undercutting, the metallurgical properties of the base of the solid part of the weld gets reduced and the strength of the weld reduces. The causes for the incomplete fusion are improper position of electrode, entrapment of oxides and slags, improper size of electrode and low supply of the heat input. Due to the effects of the incomplete fusion, weld is non-uniform and strength of the weld is reduced. The causes for the incomplete penetration are high velocity of the arc, improper alignment of the tack weld setting of the workpieces, long length of the arc and wrongly held electrode. Due to the effects of the incomplete penetration, strength of the weld is not uniform and breakage occurs in the joints. The causes for the distortion are improper welding sequence, improper alignment and tack weld setting of the workpieces, slow velocity of the arc and high residual stresses in the base metal. Due to the effects of the distortion, strength of the weld is reduced and ductile property of the base metal gets reduced. Now you have learnt about the various causes and effects of each welding defects.